Meaning of desertification.
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 Desertification. Desertification refers to the process whereby fertile land becomes increasingly arid and unable to support plant life, often due to human activities such as overgrazing or deforestation. This can result in the degradation of soil quality, loss of biodiversity, and reduced water availability for both humans and wildlife. As a result, ecosystems become destabilized, and local communities may face food shortages, economic hardship, and increased vulnerability to natural disasters such as droughts and wildfires. Efforts to combat desertification typically involve measures such as reforestation, sustainable land management practices, and water conservation initiatives.